Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. So please let me know in the comment section. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? Just I am opening the YouTube on my end. Yes, guys, please let me know in the chat. Am I audible and the screen is visible? And we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that notification will go to the all our followers. Then we will start our session. Guys, am I audible and the screen is visible? I am just waiting for your confirmation. Yeah. Okay. So I think let's wait for 1 more minute and then we will start our session. Guys, as we already discussed, so I am saying this again. We are doing this marathon sessions based on our topic wise requirement. Okay. So for example, yesterday we did quantitative aptitude of the topic time and work, ratio, proportions and ages. So similarly, today I am going to discuss the reasoning ability topics, day 1. And the topics we are going to discuss is nothing but arrangements, which is nothing but data arrangement, and coding decoding. So which are of previous year questions. Okay. So on daily basis, we will do multiple videos on individual topics so that you can easily learn, guys. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. And before that, if you are not following our social media handles, this is a placement season, guys. So we are posting a lot of hiring and updates related to any company in our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. So follow more. So here is the first question. Guys, reasoning ability. We are seeing in 2 categories, right? Which is nothing but we are seeing in foundation section and also we are seeing in the advanced section. Remember, the beginning topics I am going to discuss with us is nothing but the common topics in foundation section as well as advanced section. Okay, for example, today our topic is arrangements. Arrangements are 2 types. One is data arrangement and the second one is they will place the people arrangement. And the people again will sit in 2 different ways, that is linear and the second one is circular. Is everything fine? Please guys, whoever in the live, please be active in the chat so that whenever I see the chat, so that I can get confirmed that we are not disconnected. So whenever I ask, please respond in the chat. Okay. Is everything fine? We are about to start the session. That's why. Okay, cool. So data arrangement problems and the people circular arrangement problems will be mostly asked in advanced reasoning, and linear arrangement problems mostly asked in foundation section. So in today's video we will discuss about them. Okay, so step by step how to solve everything we will talk. Okay, cool. Everyone is ready? Yeah, thank you Telugu Life Lessons for confirming everything. Okay, guys, while I am doing also, you guys also, I will suggest you guys also need to do along with me. Why? Because it will give you better practice. Okay, see how I am solving a problems. First, the problems related to data. Data arrangement means, remember, you need to create a table. For example, see the data. 4 friends A, B, C, D have one of the four professions, that is doctor, architecture, engineer and lawyer, and each friend belongs to one of the four different cities, that is Chandigarh, Indore, Lucknow and Pune. So whenever you read this data, guys, never read the data in the logical reasoning again and again. Yes, all these are previous year questions. We just recreated with the names and different categories. Why? Because we can't take the direct questions. Might be reflecting the copyright. So that's why we will change names only. Okay. I think Gunashekhar, you got it. So whenever you have this type of questions, immediately create a table. So I am creating a table here like A, B, C, D, four friends were there and they are having four professions. So immediately I will draw a table like this in rough note only. So professions I will mention here and the cities they will belongs to I will put it here. So one table I need to create. Let's start. A is not a lawyer or an engineer. So A is not lawyer, not engineer. Okay, I will write, guys. See how I am explaining. I will never read the data again and again. I will always keep eye on my rough paper. The doctor is from Lucknow. So whoever is the doctor, he will be from Lucknow. So I will never read the data again. D is an architect. So D is an architect. And the lawyer is from Pune. Guys, just look at here. D is architect. And A cannot be the lawyer, A cannot be the engineer means A must be a doctor. Why? Because there are only four professions. Out of four, three is already we know. A cannot be these two and architect also cannot. So three roles not belongs to the A means doctor must be belongs to A. So doctor will come from Lucknow. So that data is got erased. So whenever you are reading the data, you need to manage the table as well parallelly. And D is an architect. So that because of this, we got another answer. Next, lawyer is from Pune. We don't know who is from Pune, who is the lawyer, but lawyer always from Pune. I will write below of the table. I will never read again. The engineer is neither from Chandigarh or nor Pune. So engineer cannot come from Pune and cannot come from Chandigarh. Guys, just look at here. Already Lucknow is assigned to doctor. Carefully observe here. Lucknow is assigned to the doctor and Pune is assigned to the lawyer. And if you carefully observe, engineer cannot from the Chandigarh means engineer must come from Indore. Why? Because that is the only city we left with. So engineer will from Indore, Lucknow, lawyer is from Pune. So what is the city left? Chandigarh. So Chandigarh city must be going to the architect. So you need to decide who is the B, who is C. That's it. And see, with this I have concluded a lot of data. D is not from Pune. Yeah, we know that D is already, if belongs to the lawyer, why he will come from Pune? So this is unnecessary data. C is from Indore. So if the C is Indore, then C is engineer. If C is engineer, B is lawyer and he will belongs to or she will belongs to Pune. This is how within 1 to 2 minutes you have to conclude arrangement questions, guys. Sir, why you are saying 1 or 2 minutes? Why? Because we have very less time in the examination. Our practice is 1 question 1 minute. Why you are asking for go for 2 minutes means, remember guys, sometimes in the TCS, based on the data arrangement, you will get 1 or 2 questions. Okay. So whenever you are doing a rough work, please keep it safely. Why? Because for example, you got this question as a number 1. Here or there in the 5th question, again the same question means you will save the data, right? You can save the time as well. So on data arrangement, they will at least give you 1 or 2 questions. Sometimes they will repeat the same data. Sometimes they will give the different data. We have to ready for everything. So if the question is very lengthy, they will ask at least 2 to 3 questions. If the question is very simple, they will ask you one question on it. If the data is very simple. Okay. So this is the data we got, and everything is we have curated. We don't need any additional data. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to B? So B is a lawyer and from Pune. This is the data is true. Check which one satisfying it. So A is B is lawyer, belongs to Chandigarh is wrong. D doctor wrong. B doctor wrong. B is a lawyer and belongs to Pune is correct. So option D is correct. Simple, right? So remember guys, whenever you have this type of problems, be calm and just do it. Or, sir, I want to save the time before and I would like to do this type of problems last. Then what you have to do is quickly skip this type of problems and make remaining problems within the 40 seconds, 35 seconds. And please manage the time and try to give 2 minutes to arrangement questions. Why? Because these are time consuming, and also you are having 20 questions in 25 minutes of reasoning, right? So if you can able to manage this 25 minutes for 20 questions attempt, you will be in the safe zone. A lot of people don't practice, so that's why they cannot manage the time. So you guys practice and manage the time, you can easily get the answers. Just look into the next problem. So what is the next problem? A music band consisting of 5 persons. Guys, whoever watching the live, please share our live classes to all your friends so that they can also get the help. So don't be so much selfish. So share it to all your friends, like daily we are doing the live so that they can also learn, and you guys also can prepare together and you guys can select it together. So please share our YouTube channel as much as you can to all your college groups or WhatsApp groups who are preparing for you are preparing for the TCS examination. Okay, so that it will also boost us to do more number of videos if more people are coming into the live. Okay, next. A music band consisting of 5 people. Okay, so again PQRST, 5 people. One of them is guitarist, another is singer, other is violinist, and while one plays the drums and one plays the trumpet. D does not play any musical instrument. Guys, trumpet, drum, violin and guitar all are musical instruments. Singer don't play music instrument. So yes is singer. Next, P and T do not play any string instruments. So P and T do not play string instruments. String instruments means what? Guitar and violin. Drums and trumpets are different. Okay, so guitar and violin were handled by the remaining persons Q and R. Just look at here. Who plays guitar? Guitar can be played by Q and guitar can be played by R. So the Q or R is your answer. That is option A. This type of simple questions also they will give in the examination. Sometimes you need to do the problems quickly. Sometimes you need to do the problems in 2 minutes. Got my point or not? Every question cannot be solved in the same time. I am saying one question 1 minute means, remember, average time. For example, if you do 10 questions, you need to complete them in 10 minutes. That is my thought of sharing one question 1 minute meaning means. Okay, let's go to the next question, which is based on seating arrangement, which is nothing but people sits left hand side, right hand side of the table. Okay, so just look into the problems. P, R, Q, O, S, M and T are sitting in a line facing north. Guys, remember, north direction means our direction. This is the theory we need to know before. So if some people are sitting towards the north means Your right hand side will be the right hand side, your left hand side will be the left hand side. So this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side in real time also. If you are watching in a mobile or laptop, you can observe. I have written L this side, so this is your left hand direction, this is your right hand side. Next, but not in the necessarily in the same order. So how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whenever you have this type of problems, just write down the gaps so that you will never forget how many people were there. So 7 people. Next, let's decode the problem. P is sitting between R and S. That means P is sitting between R and S means either RPS or SPR. Both are correct. So remember that both are correct because P is sitting between S and R, but they haven't said R will come first or S will come first. So you have to write all possibilities. Remember, never go with single option. Always write how many possible answers were there. Write them. So don't read the data again. Again, whatever I am doing, remember guys, once I write, I will never read the data. T is immediate left of O. O immediate left means O. Immediate left means my left hand side also, your left hand side also. So T will be here. So TO2 will come together. Okay. So this data also I won't read again. There are only 2 persons between M and S. So M and S between only 2 people. That means either M hyphen S or S hyphen M. Still we don't know which one is correct. So we have to wait for the right time. Guys, just note down all the data. One key point or one key statement will come. At the time, all will be rearranged. Just we need to wait for the right time. Okay. R is sitting between P and Q. So R is sitting between P and Q. Just carefully observe. P is already here. R is already here. So Q can come here. Or P is here. R is here. So Q come here. So QRP or TRQ, whatever it is, right? And if you carefully observe, guys, if you carefully observe, can I place these 3 people before yes? No, right? So I am just giving you the options. Okay, carefully look at here. Before yes, can I place 3 people? No. Why? Because we have only 2 options, 2 places only. So definitely here P will come, R will come, Q will come for this arrangement. And I can't place P or Q only for 2 places. So definitely before means P, R, Q must come like this. And if you observe, here also 7 people adjusted, here also 7 people adjusted. TO2 will come in the same order. So TO will be placed here. Why? Because only 2 people left. Those are TO only. So you have 2 arrangements. But still, this might be your answer or it might not be your answer. Why? Because just look at here. Still we have a statement left. We have 2 answers. With the last statement, you can eliminate the one. R is sitting between P and Q. This one is completed. S is to the immediate right of P. See, this is the key point. Everything will be sorted. P right hand side. P right means this is the right. This direction is right, right? So P right hand side is yes. So this is correct. PS. SP means P left hand side. So this is wrong. So the correct answer is QRPSTOM. Then they are asking for what is the position of T with respect to R. So with respect to R means you have to first think with respect to R. A lot of people will do the mistake. So don't do, guys. What is the position of T with respect to R means you have to think in point of R. What is this direction? Right hand side. So first right, second right, third right is the T. So T is third right of R. Third right means option C. So this is how you need to do the problems in a simplified manner. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. Tech world, that's what I am saying. Hardly you will get 2 to 3 questions in arrangements. Arrangement problems will take 2 minutes. Some problems will take only 1 minute. For example, see this problem. This problem we have solved in very less time. So 1 minute is enough. First problem and this problem, maybe it will take 2 minutes. So you spend 1 minute extra here means you have to save this time in the other problems. Yeah, Telugu Life, if you want to clear the TCS, definitely this level of problems you need to practice. And you need to be very strong in theory. Only these questions, guys, again I am telling you. So many people think that, sir, only your live classes are enough. No. These are some of the questions I can share up to 40%. Remaining 60% questions were there. Why? Because we can't give everything for free, like in every hour we can't come to the live, right? So 40% we are trying to give for free. And guys, rest of the things you need to prepare on your own. Hardly I will come to the live for 1 hour. Rest of the 3 hours you need to prepare on your own. Then only you can able to clear the TCS examination. Next. Nehal, Iqbal, Rohit, Malini and Harbhajan participated in one of the 5 activities. So I am writing their initial names. NIQ, NIR, MH. And the activities are quiz, singing, dancing, debate and mimicry. Ronit participated in singing. So R is participated in singing. Harbhajan does not participate in debate or mimicry. So Harbhajan, not mimicry, not debate. Next, the data is completed. Malini does not participate in mimicry. Malini, mimicry, no. I participates. Iqbal is participates in quiz. So quiz. Guys, just look at here. Last 2 persons are not mimicry means definitely N must be mimicry. Why? Because we have only 5 options. And who participate in the debate? Guys, just look at here. We left with debate and dance. H is not debate. So M must be debate and H must be dance. So that data got arranged. So who participated in a debate is nothing but debate means M. M means Malini. See, to do this problem, 1 minute is enough or not? So maybe this question will come for foundation section and this sitting arrangement will come for advanced reasoning. There you have 15 questions and 25 minutes. So you have extra 10 minutes of time. So that's why I'm saying you have to manage your time. No one will come and explain you of that. That will comes by practice. Next, 6 boxes K, L, M and OP are painted with the either black or blue colors. Okay, K, L, M, N, OP are painted with 2 colors only, either black or blue. So I will take blue as B and black as BL. Okay. Next, KNL. KNL are painted in blue. So L blue and N also blue. So rest will be black. black, black, black. So data completed. Next, O and Q are big while other are small. So O, P are big. So I am writing here big boxes. These two are big boxes and rest are small. So whatever they have given, I will write. I don't know what is the question, what they are going to ask, but I will be clear in my rough work. Next, P, K, N are empty. So P is empty, K is empty, N is empty, and rest are filled. So this is filled, this is filled, this is also filled. Next, look at the question. Which black box? So we don't have to bother about blue boxes. So your answer will be either MOP. Which black box is small? See guys, these two black boxes are big. I want small. And also filled. So answer is M. D. So see, out of the questions we have did, some are very easy, will be completed within the 1 minute. Some are little difficult and they will complete in more than 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. It all comes by practice. That's why I always say practice the mock test so that you can able to understand whether you can, how to manage the time. Okay. And also guys, if you want to practice, the best platform I can suggest for you guys for exclusively for TCS and all the placement preparations, our Insta Prime. Okay, so we are providing 54% flat discount today and tomorrow. Maybe later this discount will happen. Why? Because the TCS demand is getting increased and we are getting a lot of inquiries. But still, for our YouTube followers, for the first 3 to 4 days we are coming live, we are giving 50% discount. Later might be my coupon code can't give you a 50% discount. So if you see, for example, 1 year, which is 5,000 rupees, and if you use my coupon code KTK Max, and if you apply, you will get for 2,500 rupees for 1 year. So it is the one of the best time you can take the subscription just for 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees for 12 months. And for the 2,500 rupees, what all you guys get is nothing but all the courses like popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and statistics, AWS cloud, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, Power BI, everything you will get. Along with this, if you want to do full stack web development, you can do that. And also if you are preparing for any language, either C, C++, Java programming languages, or DSC if you are preparing for any service based to product based companies, these lectures are more than enough. And also if you want to prepare for aptitude, quant, logical, verbal, data interpretation, everything is here. And for example, if you want to prepare company specific, sir, I have already know the theory. I want TCS specific training. Then go to the TCS NQT under the company section and you can start your preparation. Okay, so if you want to check it, okay, I haven't logged in now. So it will again take OTP verification and all. It will waste your time. You guys already, I have shown you in the last previous lives also. So TCS NQT directly you can open and you can prepare first foundation section, next advanced section with coding questions which are previous yearly asked. So everything will be here once you purchase and log in. Okay, so here also I have got logged out because of 24 hours gone. Okay, so if you want to prepare for prime or digital, you can navigate to this also. And if you are preparing for interview preparation, we have interview preparation courses. And if you don't have any projects, you can take these projects and you can complete and you can put it in your resume for your future interviews. And also if you don't know about the theoretical concepts of computer science, you can learn from here, like SQL, operating system, DBMS, SDLC, and computer networking. And also, if you are preparing for any other companies, you can go through this pseudocode and automata fix and all. So interview preparation also we have provided. So everything, all 200 plus courses you will get for single subscription, that is 1 year subscription, 2,500 rupees only. And if you want to take furthermore 48 months, and you will get just for 3,250 rupees for 4 years. So wisely invest your money. And also in Prepinsta Prime you can get video lectures, and in the prepinsta.com you can get practiced questions. For example, go to the TCS NQT, and if you want to prepare or if you want to practice any type of topics, you can prepare from here. See all the previous year questions we have here. So guys, utilize this opportunity and grab the opportunity and try to grab and use the coupon code KTK Max and get the 50% discount. Guys, again I'm telling you, practice more. Next, there is a group of 5 friends, PQ or ST, and P is the second in the height but younger than R. Guys, just look at here. 5 friends were there, and P is second in height but younger than R. So they are talking about heights as well as age. This is advanced questions, guys. Okay, how to do that? It's very simple. First, on the left hand side, I will write about height order. On the right hand side, I will write about the age order. P is second in the height. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Second is P. In the ages, P is younger than R. So when compared to the P, R is more. So P less than R I have written. Age means R is more. Next, Q is taller than S. Okay. Q is taller than S. We don't know where S will come, but above S, Q must be there. So I am writing on a side. Next, but younger in the age. So Q is taller, but Q is younger. So that means Q is less age when compared to S. So S is the older one, elder one. R and S are same of the age. So R and S are equal. Okay. Next, but R is the shortest in the group. Shortest means R will come in the 5th place. Next, T is taller than Q. T is taller than Q. Guys, just look at here. Q is taller than S and T is taller than Q means S will come definitely 4th place, Q here. And T can come either 1st place or 2nd place. Why? Because above Q. But already P is occupied the 2nd place. So definitely T will come in the 1st place. So height arrangement is completed. Okay. And T is elder than R. T is elder than R means R less than T. P is not youngest in the group. So P is not youngest. So someone will be in the youngest means that is Q. Okay. So why? Because R and S are equal. So R is less than T means S also less than T. So this is the age order and this is the height order. Who will be in the 3rd position? If all friends arranged in the ascending order of the heights. First tallest is T, second and 3rd is Q. So when you order ascending or descending, 3rd position is always Q. Why? Because in the ascending or descending, like this. Okay. Next. So this is one of the assignment question I would like to give you guys. Take the screenshot. Why? Because we have discussed around 6 questions on data arrangement. So take the screenshot. This is your assignment question. So once the live is completed, please answer. Okay. As of now, just take the screenshot. We'll go forward. And also, please, the people who are in the live, everyone, please like the video. So don't forget, immediately like the video, please. Okay. Just look into the next problem. That is, in certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How tiger is written in that code? So just, it's very simple, guys. Coding decoding problems. Openly I am saying, coding decoding problems are added advantage. If you practice once, you don't have to worry in the examination. Just you can do instantly. For example, MONKEY is written as see X D J M N L. Here Y is there, here X is there. So I can relate them. M is there, L is there. Why? Because M and L are near to each other. E and D, K and N, sorry, O and N, K, J, M, N. So which is nothing but I have to think which order I can map. Okay, so all the alphabets written in the reverse order. If you carefully observe, M is 13 and L is 12. O is 15, N is 14. N is 14, M is 13. So every alphabet is reduced by -1 and the word is written in the reverse order. So reduce -1 and write it in the reverse order. Don't ever try to complete the answer. Again, I am telling you. Don't do the answer. Just eliminate the answer. Okay. For example, the first alphabet is different. So S will be depending on R. R -1. R means 18. 18 -1 is Q. Q means answer completed. B. See how simply we did the answer. Someone is given as answer A. I don't know why. Just verify whether I am wrong or... Guys, just can you confirm what is the correct answer? B or not? Okay. Next question. Student is called as RUTEDOS. Which word could be coded as something like this? Okay, just look at here, guys. Student. For your explanation only I am writing. In the examination, I don't write again, guys. Okay. And RUTEDOS. If you carefully observe, S is 19, R is 18. So -1. T is 20, U is 21, +1. U is 21, T is 20, -1. D is 4, E is 5, +1. E is 5, D is 4, so -1. Which is nothing but -1 +1, -1 +1, alternatively it's happening. Then what word would be coded as like this? So this is the output. So this is you have to write in the below. Okay. So what else? BQ. BQ. So 18. If you do -1, it will become 18. So in the reverse direction, you have to do plus, right? In the reverse direction, you have to do plus. So it will be 19. So it become 18 means earlier it is 19. It become 4 means earlier it will be 3. 3 means C. So first 19 means yes, C means, sorry, 3 means C. So the alphabets are S, C. I don't have to do any problem. This is the advantage of coding decoding. You don't have to find the complete answer. Within the fraction of seconds, if you find the option differences, you can easily solve the problem. For example, in the same example, if the last two alphabets are different, then I will focus on last alphabet. So like this you can target, no problem. Okay. But here you need to take care of +1, -1, +1, -1 in proper order. Next, A is coded as 1, B is coded as 3, C is coded as 5, and so on. Okay. A is coded as 1, B is coded as 3, so which means 2 + 1. C is coded as 5, which is nothing but 3 + 2. Guys, see, the actual value of C is 3, but before number is added, so that's why it become 5. So D means 4 is the actual value. We have to add the previous value 3, so D value will be 7. Okay, I got the logic simply. F is how much? 6. A is how much? 1. Z is how much? 26. E is how much? 5. D is how much? 4. And you have to add the previous values also to them to get this code. So 25, 26, 1 + 0, 6 + 5. So simply just sum the compounds. Here 30, 6 + 4, 10, 26 + 4, 30, and remaining 3 + 5 + 1 is 9. So answer is 79. Option A. So if you carefully observe in the coding decoding, I don't have to explain multiple answers. Sorry, I don't have to explain a lot of questions. But you need to have a practice. So do the practice. Okay. Next question. If tour is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, clear is written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, and spare is written as 9, 0, 8, 4, 7, then what will be the answer for care? Guys, whenever in the input you have a multiple, inputs and the references, then remember T is coded as 1, O is coded as 2, and R is coded as 4. So R means 4, C means 5, and A means 8, E means 7. So answer is 5, 8, 4, 7. Option B. There is no explanation. There is nothing to do. Just only map the numbers with the alphabets and that's it. And next question will be based on buzzwords. So this is, you need to do option elimination, guys, for this type of problems. See, NSO PTR KLI CHN stands for Sharma gets more marriage gift. Remember, guys, Sharma code is NSO is not correct. Gets means either it might be PTR, either it may be KLA, either it may be CHN. So this problems means, remember, word order and buzzwords order cannot be the same. Sometimes it might be same, sometimes it might be not be same, but you have to treat it as they are not same. So Sharma means I don't know the code. I have to compare with the other statements, then only I will get the answer. Next, PTR, LNM, WOP and CHN stands for wife gives marriage gift. And TTI, WOP, NHI stands for he gives the nothing. What would meaning of the gives? Guys, where is the gives you have seen? Give I have seen here. Where you have seen gives? Here. What is the common word in this two statements? Wife is not same. Marriage is not same. Gift is not same. He is not same. Nothing is not same. Only gives is the common word between them. If give is the common word, then buzzword also will be unique, right? So TTI is not here. WOP. WOP is here. So WOP means gives. NHI. NHI is not here. So gives stand for WOP. Gives is common. So WOP also common. This is how you need to compare. I know you guys got the answer correctly, but I am talking about approach. Next, look at the problem. How to solve this? This is a question asked in advanced quantum reasoning, but don't feel like it is too complicated. It's very easy if you read the data. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. In a code language, any letter immediately after or before is a vowel in the English alphabet substituted by the vowel and any vowel, that is A, I, O, U. Okay. So, a alphabet before vowel and after also vowel, then this need to replace with vowel. And what is the next condition? And any vowel, that is A, O, U substituted by letter immediately following that vowel in the alphabet. So if you have a vowel, next alphabet you have to replace. Next alphabet. Okay. Else alphabet remains same if you don't follow any pattern of after before. Okay. If after before is not there, the same element will be written. See, for example, C. C written same. And guys, how I will differentiate is nothing but how much they are common. They are common up to F. If you carefully observe. They are common up to R also. So I don't have to bother up to R. A, J, L, B. So different alphabets. So this is the alphabet I have to take care. From last it is fifth alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is vowel. If it is vowel, what it must be do? Vowel must be replaced by next alphabet. Next alphabet means B. So in place of A, B need to come. Very simple. Am I right or not? So, this is a very easy problem, guys. So, please practice arrangements. And in this session, I have only explained two types of arrangements only, that is linear and data arrangement. In the upcoming videos, again, I will talk about circular arrangement. I will take separate session for that. Why? Because it is also very important. In the upcoming sessions, we will talk about circular arrangements as well. And guys, that's it for today's video. And if you're still not registered for our social media handles, daily live updates and hiring updates, any TCS updates, everything we will post in our social media handles. So please try to follow that. Either on Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. And also don't forget, use the coupon code KTK Max and grab this opportunity. 200 plus courses under a single subscription. So if you want to learn any programming language, you can use Insta. If you want to learn DSA, you can use Insta. If you want to learn advanced skills like data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud-based, cyber security, anything, machine learning, you can learn from our Insta. And also company specific preparation, projects, interview preparation, everything we have. So yeah, for every your placements needs, we have the courses. Only single subscription is enough. It's like a Netflix for your placement preparation. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me for the next 1 or 2 minutes. And if you don't have any doubts, we will end the session. And again, I will come to the live at 8:30 today, and we are going to discuss about coding question and answers. So if you are interested, subscribe to our YouTube channel and make it 550k today and share it to all your friends. Today we will start with arrays programs. So in today's live in the 8:30, I am going to discuss about arrays based questions for TCS NQT. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Sai Ganesh, if you are already registered, what is the issue? If you want to delete the registered account, you have to mail to the TCS official mail ID, that is lip.support@tcs.com something, and the support team will delete your account. No one can delete the account, only the TCS only can handle that. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Share our video to all your friends and share our channel. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.